Let's bring in the mayor of Tallahassee, John Dailey. Mayor, thank you for being with us on such a crazy night. A direct hit of a hurricane this magnitude has not happened in Tallahassee in modern history. Do you feel prepared right now?
Gadi, thanks for having me on. And you are correct. This will be the most intense hurricane in the history of the city of Tallahassee for a direct hit, for sure. I can tell you that we've been preparing for the past week. We have checked all of our utilities to make sure that everything is working properly. We have tripled the workforce. We've got crews coming in from all over the United States to help us out with repairing electricity. The citizens of Tallahassee have been fantastic, making sure that they're prepared and either sheltering in place, going to one of our shelters, or evacuating. But I got to tell you, you can prepare all you want, but if you take on a Category 4 direct hit, we are going to have damage, and we know that. And we've been shooting straight with the residents of Tallahassee, Leon County, so that they know the severity of the storm if we do take on a direct hit.
And Mayor, what are the plans for rescue operations if you need them tonight?
So we will be running our first responders, which hats off to everyone out there keeping us safe, of course. Keep in mind that Tallahassee is an inland community. We're 30 miles from the coast, so the storm surge is not a threat to us as it is to our neighbors, who we are thinking about as well. For us, it is more of the wind event, and we will have a rain event as well. We're above average for rainfall. Our biggest threat are the trees. So look, when the windshields get up to sustained, I believe, above 35 miles per hour, we cannot run our emergency vehicles. So the first responders will shelter in place until after the storm. So we're asking everybody to stay inside, hunker down. Now's the time to be safe.
And if you haven't had the chance to visit Tallahassee, I mean, the oak trees there are, I would argue, the most beautiful in the country. And yet, when you're looking at 100-mile-an-hour plus wind gusts, can those oak trees sustain that? And I mean, those oak trees, those branches are heavy, tons sometimes. What kind of damage could that cause?
Well, you're absolutely correct. We are internationally known for our beauty. We've been a Tree City, USA for over 30 years. We love our trees, but trees, wind, and power lines do not mix. Mm-hmm. And we know that with a Cat 4 coming directly at us, we are going to have serious damage. That is for sure. So we're prepared. We'll wait and see what Mother Nature brings us, and we'll go from there. I'll close by saying, you know, we've got a saying here in Tallahassee, we're Tallahassee strong. And no matter what happens, we're going to come together as a community. I remind everyone it's going to be a marathon, not a sprint for recovery, but we're going to make it.
Mayor, thanks so much. And one more question, if I may. I know a lot of parents of some college students are watching with their college students hunkered down and are terrified right now of what their kids are about to go through. A lot of students not able to get out. How is the city supporting that?
Sure. And you're absolutely correct. Not only are we the state capital, but we're a college town. We have Florida State University, FAMU, and Tallahassee State College. We have over 70,000 college students in our community. Now, working in conjunction with both universities and the state college, on Wednesday, when they decided to make the announcement to shut down their campuses, I think the universities and state colleges did a great job encouraging the students to go home and evacuate. Many of them took that seriously and did leave. I can tell you that the universities have also opened up shelters for the students themselves as well in the basketball arenas to make sure that the students are taken care of. But yeah, I want those parents to know that we have a major Cat 4 heading our way. But the Tallahassee community cares about our collegiate community, and we're going to do everything we can to keep them safe.
Mayor, our thoughts and prayers are with you guys tonight. Fingers crossed that damage is not as bad as people are expecting. Mayor, thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.